everybody, and welcome to another episode of
CJ Blue Creative Studios
and Lex. Today, I went to Dollar Tree the other day and just picked up a bunch of stuff. I'm going to do some things craft-wise with some of the products I got, but Alexa was not with me, so we're going to do a Dollar Tree unbagging and have Alexa react to these items that I found for the first time. Let's get going. All right. So the first thing, I will hand it to her, and she will react to what she got, what she sees.
Wow, it's a great quote. Enjoy every moment.
Isn't that nice?
It's a good placemat.
It's a placemat, or I was thinking of hanging it up somehow, putting a frame around it. What else you got there, Lex?
Another one that says blessed.
Isn't that cute? That's so cute.
Nice.
I thought that was cute. Dollar Tree, they're really branching out on some things. All right. Now some of these things she's not going to really understand why I got them because I'm going to use them in a craft, but here you go, Lex.
Oh, an orange kitchen towel. Good for Halloween purposes.
Orange towel.
And
it's such a pretty orange color. Look at that. Look how that just glows.
And another one. Same one.
2 orange towels.
Oh, and a red one. Reminds me of Thanksgiving now.
Right. Ooh, Shelly, you would like this orange. My sister Shelly has a lot of orange things.
Oh, a good fall pot holder.
Fall pot holders.
Oh, and nice gray quilt looking pot holder.
Wait till you see the craft I'm going to do with this. I saw it on Pinterest the other day. It's going to be so cute.
Nice gray white plaid kitchen towel.
Right. See, are you seeing my drift now, right now? Okay.
This is tissue paper. A lot of tissue paper for your packages.
There you go. Dollar Tree is great for shipping supplies. Any of you that ship a lot of stuff, go to Dollar Tree. They got a lot of cool stuff.
Oh. Should I take it out?
Sure. Let's go with it.
Looks like a little mini tree. How do I put it?
Well, I was thinking of using this for Halloween decoration at the office on my desk.
Oh.
Painting it orange and then putting little Halloween deco on it. And then these are extra garland ties you can put on here to make it fuller.
Oh.
So I thought I'd spray paint it orange and then add deco to it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Good idea?
Looks like a little bush.
Okay. Oh, let's give you this next bag. Oh, here you go.
There's a hole in the side of it. Oh! Wait.
These are skeleton hands, but the cute thing about it was what I'm going to do is spray paint them silver, and then I'm going to glue them and spray paint these little plates. See the plates? And glue them in the middle of the plate, and then put decorations around the bottom for Halloween, and then you can put pictures, it's a picture holder, into the fingers.
Oh.
Wouldn't that be cute?
Look, or, it'd be funny if you had a jacket on, and then you went like that, then you had
Yeah, put it in both
hands.
There you go.
See?
Yeah. Skeleton hands. Halloween.
You could pick up stuff.
Exactly. But this is what it's going to look like. You just stick it like that, spray paint it silver, and then you can put Halloween pictures there,
Your
Halloween
rings.
deco, a ring holder for Halloween, put spider rings on there. Anywho. Cute.
Oh, a fake candle.
2 of them.
Also good for Halloween.
Also good for Halloween. Yes.
Lights up. Waiting for that festival. Oh, I think we have some glass.
Oh, yes. Well, I was thinking also on the extra plates or something. Do they fit right here?
It's
I
a
don't
mirror.
know.
Two nice
Yeah,
mirrors.
I think doing something else with them. I picked them up for summer.
They look like cup coasters.
Coasters.
Ooh, ramen noodles. That's the best thing.
Oh, there you go. It's chicken flavored, and you know who doesn't like a ramen noodle once in a while. Okay. Next bag. Dollar Tree surprise unbagging with Lex. Okay, I gotta say, in all of Dollar Tree, these are the absolute
over here.
best things to get. Those come in so handy. I mean, that's like the #1 thing that
You don't even have to rip your
You
tin
just-
foil. Comes in sheets.
Comes in sheets, rip it out, and there you go.
Here are a huge gallon bag for a bunch of fruits, a million sandwiches. Oh, shortbread. Never had that.
Oh, they're good cookies. I think it's a name brand, which is why I picked it up.
European cookies.
European. It has to be good.
Reusable wipes, you know, you never run out.
Brillo wipes. Let's clarify what kind of wipes they are.
Brillo Basics.
They're not butt wipes, they're cleaning wipes.
Kitchen bags.
Scented.
Nice. Scented.
Yes.
Mountain air scented. They didn't even know that was a scent. More storage bags.
Smaller size.
Oh, some glasses.
I mean, I am always losing my reading glasses, so you pick them up at the Dollar Tree, you lose them, it's no big deal.
I'll eat these later.
Oh yes, I got those
Some
for
nice
Lex.
Takis.
Her very favorite. These all right?
Yep. Looks like reading glasses.
All right. Oh, this one, these are so cute, what I found. All right, this is so cute, Lex. You're gonna love this.
Oh.
Put them on.
I had to. We have some nice novelty butterfly glasses.
That's so cute. Look at them. Now, wait till you see these.
Here, wait. I'll open it under here so you can see.
Yeah.
Ah,
There you go.
someone's covering my eyes.
I love it. Wait, turn it the other way. Do you have them upside down? Oh no. Duh. Here, you put those on. I'll put these on.
Okay, we can wear these throughout the rest of the video.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, what is that? I can't. Oh,
Vegetable
crackers.
and
What does it say?
entertainer crackers.
Entertainer.
The dollar store.
Entertainer crackers. Okay.
Oh, fake acorn.
Yeah.
Acorn.
Those are
Acorn.
fake acorns. You know acorn.
Got a bunch.
I was thinking like on, you know, for that hand thing, or maybe even putting them on the tree there. You know, what is that?
It's a skull on a steak.
Oh, I was gonna put that on the top of the Christmas tree after I painted it orange. That was gonna be my tree topper.
So it's like a dead
And it's
person.
already got a hole in it. Look, take that out. And then I was gonna paint that orange too. There, see? That'll be the tree topper.
You don't need the steak.
You don't need the steak. Okay.
Now we got sponges.
Yep, coming in handy.
Scrub buddies.
Where's my little scrub buddy?
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Wafers. Those are the best.
Those are good. Those are real good. All right. I told you this was quite the haul. All right, next bag, Lex. Look at our table's filling up. I'm gonna have to move some of this stuff.
Oh, more pop-up foil sheets.
Oh, you love them. You gotta get them. You love them.
Ooh, chocolate wafers.
Chocolate ones. Yum. Again.
What's next? Oh, some spaghetti. That's always needed.
And that, well, look, that's the brand name, Barillo Spaghetti, and it's only $1.
That's a lot.
Yeah, I mean, seriously, right?
Ooh, whoa. They have tropical Swedish fish.
Swedish fish.
More Swedish
those are the
fish.
new go-to, instead of buying gummies, which stick to your teeth and everything, Swedish fish are the go-to now.
Got 4 packs of them.
Yep, and they're minis. Have you ever seen the minis? Mini Swedish fish. Water break. All right, the next bag in the unboxing. I wonder how long this video is.
Some veggie straws.
Mm-hmm. Can't have too many.
Good health. Enjoy being good.
Oh, I saw that. Enjoy being good. That's a great little
Chickpeas.
Goya at Dollar Tree. Mm-hmm. Name brand.
Black licorice.
I love black licorice. It's like my ultimate favorite.
No, thank you.
You don't like black licorice?
Eh.
Oh, so good.
Oh, I'm gonna need this.
Look at
Monster
that.
Rehab.
Yes, and look at that. It's a name brand. And you know what? In the whole store, they only had one. It was weird. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back. What is this? Oh, I was gonna do a DIY with this T-shirt.
Maybe
Only
blue
$1. Yeah, I was gonna do a little crafting
Now
thing.
we have a green shirt.
Same thing with that one. We're gonna do a little crafting deal. Okay, Alexa, I believe we are on our last bag.
This is my friend's house.
Last bag.
Oh wow, this is the super fall Halloween bag.
Alrighty. Yeah. I was
Bunch of
thinking
fake
of doing
leaves.
a craft night with some
Oh my gosh.
ladies.
You could do the leaf bowl.
Oh, does that thing really work?
I don't know.
I don't know. if
I mean,
that
I think
really
you have
works.
enough leaves to try
Yeah.
a few times.
But I was thinking of doing like you get a pumpkin and then you
Leaves.
what's that stuff? Decoupage, Mod Podge,
these
them
are
on. Yes.
They don't
those
really
are
work though. Welcome fall.
my favorite.
Oh, get it? It's like welcome all.
Welcome fall.
Welcome fall.
Or welcome y'all.
Happy fall.
I think the truck on that is so cute.
Yeah.
See the truck? It's adorable.
All the gross fake
Oh yeah.
bugs.
I was gonna spray paint those and put them on the tree, or maybe just leave them as is and put them on the.
Now I have some
orange tree.
spider rings and school rings and cat rings.
Nice. All right. I think that is it for our surprise unbagging. So Lex, what was your favorite thing? What would be your favorite thing of our Dollar Tree surprise?
Too much.
You like the.
I like the ramen noodles.
For $1. I mean, come on. You can't beat that, right?
And the little trees.
The trees were good. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching our little surprise unbagging. We'll talk to you later.